What it do, YouTube? It's your boy MachineZo MachZody MachineZo, however you want to call it. And right now we is reacting to the creepy tub. Don't trust who's knocking at your door. All these moments caught on Ring camera. Basically, think twice before you open your door. If it's late at night, don't open your door. Fuck these people. Call the police. Do something. But right now, you know what I'm saying? Everybody desperate. Everybody looking for the plot, the easy way. So we gonna see all these folks trying to do it.
Dude straight up swiped a jacket while the homeowner watched it happen.
Jacket down. What's wrong with you? Put my jacket down, hoe.
Let's see how that
He
plays.
said, "Put my jacket down, hoe ass nigga." I ain't gonna lie, bruh. He might as well should have just took that shit. Did run, nigga. Even though they might catch you, fuck it, nigga, run.
Put my jacket down, bitch.
Hey,
Damn, folk disrespectful too. I would have ran off on him. If I got down, it was cold and I wanted a jacket, I would have did it.
Put my motherfucking jacket down.
He said, "Hey, folks incapacitated, bro. He either just woke up or he off the drugs." But this Texas, I can tell it's cold, bro. Just by the goddamn how the clouds and shit look, bro. It's probably a winter. Winter it look like this, bro. Then again, the grass all green and shit. It's probably just a cold ass day.
What you doing in my house? I'm gonna let my dog out of your. Let me call my sister. Hold on,
hey, people.
bro. Get away from my motherfucking house, bro.
You look like, bro, I just want a jacket, bro. I don't want no trouble. If you just wanted a jacket, bro, you should have just stole it, bro. Fuck that
Hey, you tell me
negotiation.
I was
I don't have nothing right now, bro. Don't just come on my porch like that, grabbing, man.
Bro.
I'm down the street from my house. Don't don't do that.
Bro, you can't be telling folks you not home, bro. That's not the move. You can't be saying I'm down the street from my house. You just got pump fake like you in the crib, bro. Cause now nigga could just run off with your shit, nigga, and fuck, nigga, shit. Finders keepers. He flabbergasted.
Yeah, that's my work jacket, man.
He's something to steal. I don't have no clothes for him. Y'all help him out before he get popped. Shit, he might get popped by somebody else, nigga, cause you ain't helping. And I get it, folks was trying to steal and all that shit, bro, but the nigga goddamn set up a meeting time, bro. Say come back later, bro, when I'm home, bro. We could figure some shit out. Bro, nigga, don't be coming up stealing. You can't be scared of these black folk, bro. These niggas be needing help sometimes. Sometimes you just gotta be the one that help them. Not all the time. He like a good dude. You just gotta read character. Nigga back down.
Colton, California. If you or someone you love lives alone, this is a must-watch. An elderly woman.
Yeah, alright, shit. I'm 50, 60. I know it's easy to say what I can do, but I just know myself. If I got a crib, I'm 60, 70, I'm just chilling, reading a book on my phone, doing me. Somebody come walk off my porch, get the fuck off my porch. I don't want it, I'm not interested. Because I don't know why people just feel like you bringing something to my attention make me gonna want it. Nah, gang. Get the fuck off my porch.
Peacefully sitting on her
Can't be
porch
too
when
nice
one
with
lady
strangers.
distracted her with small talk, while another snuck inside. Luckily, her daughter saw it all on the doorbell cam. Let's watch and learn how to stay one step ahead.
One step ahead. Bitch, get the fuck off my porch. Easy. And they start getting hostile or got a problem, we getting them folks involved. But shit, nigga like me, I might be sitting on the porch with that pistol on my lap. What's up? We got a problem? Damn, shawty can't even walk good. These three women approached my 85-year-old mother. Wow, damn, 85? Oh, they wrong. They going to goddamn hell with the burning panties on. While she was sitting on her porch, one of them lured her away from the door. See, that's where you gotta be fucked up. I ain't leaving, nigga. If I'm comfortable in my spot, nigga, I ain't moving. While the other snuck into the house. I was at my house watching on the ring camera and yelled at them to get out the house. And police were on their way. They left without taking anything, but my poor mom was so shaken. Yeah, she was shaking, boy. I would've fire. Nigga would've goddamn killed myself shooting the fire, nigga, 85 years old. But fuck it, nigga, we all gonna die. This is bad work. They hot. We can see all this. Hell no, she got a nerve to be fat. Bitch got a nerve to be fat. On my mama, bruh. I would have slaughtered their. I don't know how they laws is in Cali, but Texas is free kill all day. Slam the door all out. Yeah, these folks got a nice place in hell. Shit, brazy, dog. 2 people pop up. See, I might not be the smartest at 80, 85. But when I start seeing shit like this, people I don't know, 2 people popping up, nigga, I'ma just start, you know what I'm saying? Tennis will start going on, nigga. What the fuck going on? Nasty work. No, get the fuck.
Excuse me.
Hey, get out of there.
Excuse me.
What do you...
White people, excuse me. Excuse me. Hello, can you gently get off my porch and get out my house? Nah, hey! Hey! Get the fuck on. What the fuck y'all doing? Y'all gotta get rude. Hey, get out of there. That shit ain't gonna work, fuck nigga. That shit funny.
What do you want?
I would jump out that bitch aggressive.
Get out.
Hey, stay right there. I got my
Get
file.
out.
Stay right there. Just stay right there.
We've
I'ma
already
be there
called
in
the
5
cops. They're
minutes.
on their way.
Oh my God.
Fuck
Look
the
at
police.
Just lift it. Oh my gosh. Hey, get out now.
No,
The cops are on their way.
Ain't no bye. What the 100 shots.
That was my mom that went in. Let's see, there was
100 shots in 3
Right.
seconds.
Did they go in the house?
Yeah, they did go in the house, shawty. I don't know what he got going on. Oh, shit. Oh, he fucked up. I ain't gonna lie, you ain't getting out that jam.
St. Paul, Minnesota, around midnight.
That nigga stuck like Chuck, bro. That was a pit, nigga. Either you running or you just gonna chill there, nigga, but you fucked all the way off.
Intoxicated woman approached a house,
Don't do
then
it.
later wandered off and sat in a...
See, I already see the plot. I already see it. I'm black. I'm not going for none of this. I'm sorry, sweetheart. This ain't the house. I'm going somewhere. Pretty white.
known
Don't fall
car.
for it, bro.
Late night walks like this, not a great idea.
Cause
Stay
in the
safe
end
out
of the
there.
day, if you let the shawty come in your house, what you gonna get out of it? She not trying to smash, bro. You not trying to smash, bro. It's snowing outside, bro. You got only thing you can do is send them on by their way. This is a setup from the go. It's a setup from the go.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Bitch don't even look homeless. Look like a child. Little teenager. Bitch, get the fuck on. Cussing everything out. Trying to act like you fucked up. Yeah, alright. And a car pull up, yeah. The plot. We see the plot, bro. That shit ain't, we ain't going for none of it.
Sierra Vista, Arizona. Check out this lady.
Bro, y'all gotta go seek help, bro. If y'all thinking this shit gonna work, these home invasions, these little stupid ass 12 o'clock visits, nigga, go get you a job, bro. Go work overnight, bro. Cause all this work y'all doing ain't amounting to shit.
Hello?
Hello? Get the fuck off my porch. Look at the dog. Look at the dog. Even the dog knows she on bullshit. Like, man, I just want to chill at the crib, bro. What the fuck she got me going?
Hello? Hi, Merry Christmas! Can I help you?
Get the fuck off my porch talking about some Merry Christmas. Bitch, I don't know you. Bitch think we in the holiday spirit. Fuck no. We see the plot.
Yeah, I got 7. Are you ready for a puppy? Merry Christmas!
Nope.
I don't think I know you.
I don't care. I'm leaving the puppy here, so you better come grab it.
Fuck you and the puppy. Bye.
No, I don't think so.
Fuck you in that mutt. I get disrespectful, bro. I don't know you. The fuck? What you on a nigga front post trying to give a nigga a dog? You ain't even trying to sell that motherfucker, bitch. It's 12 o'clock, nigga. Catch me in the morning. Oh, ass nigga. Fuck out my door if I call the police. Easy.
Oh my god, you don't know one who wants a puppy? What the hell?
Nigga got a
I
problem. I'm
don't
bringing
have
out my
kids, but I'm sure you
fire.
have a niece or something, no?
Fuck you.
I don't know who you are, and you need to go on. It's almost midnight.
Facts. Everybody take a lesson from this, bro. Don't be talking to strangers at night, bro. That's a real thing, bro. These niggas here ain't got nothing but griminess on their mind and evil. It's an evil world, bro. Mental health is all time low.
Whatever, be a Grinch.
Fuck you. I am a Grinch, bitch.
Chicago, Illinois. This mail thief is making rounds, snatching envelopes like it's a full-time.
This nigga, boy, look at him, boy. You working for the post office? Bro, you might as well just work for the post office, bro. This nigga out here grabbing goddamn bills, internet
And just
bills,
look at that stash.
advertisement.
She's been busy.
Folks ain't sending checks in the mail no more, bro. And if you is, you slow. You getting your check mailed to you, you slow as hell. Folks out here, the USPS
Rosedale, New
man.
York.
Can I help you?
This guy's got a story, but is it real or just another scam? Watch
sorry?
and decide for yourself.
Is this the Duper residence?
Bruh ain't even incoherent. Bruh eyes is closed. What the fuck they got going on?
Correct.
Are you guys home?
Bruh got a phone in his
What do
hand,
you need?
texting.
Matt, who are you looking for?
So my name is Mo. I'm here with.
Hell no. Unknown men at the door looking to speak about property tax refunds. Not only did they knock on our windows, but also checked to see if the front door was locked. Bro, they trying to hit a lick. Y'all can't be this slow, bro. Call the police, bro. What time is it? What time is it? I solved everything. These niggas trying to hit a lick.
On behalf of New York State, we're helping homeowners in the area get their federal incentive.
Federal
I'm just trying to see,
incentive.
have you gotten yours yet?
I would have saw that nigga. I got a federal incentive for you. I'm gonna call the people and goddamn, they gonna help your ass. We gonna call FBI and they gonna incentivize your ass into a jail cell. Fuck off my porch, nigga. You know, your eyes ain't even open, gang.
No, thank you. I'm not interested. Thank you so much, though.
I would have roasted his ass from the goddamn what made him feel so shitty about himself. Nigga would have got to try to come and find me and shit. That would have been cool. Got the goddamn what you want, ARP or the big one? You want the Pat Mahone, the 15 or the micro? Oh shit, we can even do F&E and the goddamn SIG. It don't even matter.
Anything. We're just helping homeowners save thousands of dollars by getting their federal incentive. We're a public entity that helps homeowners get their
I told that bitch nigga, I'm about to save taxpayers dollars. Nigga, hold on. I'm about to save taxpayers dollars when I blow at you, bro. Get the fuck on. Get the fuck on, bro. I don't know. I feel like I don't trust nobody. So if you on my porch this time of night, bro, I'm gonna talk to you bad. And then if you want to do something about it, it's gonna get wicked.
and lower their property taxes, increase their home equity, and put some money back in your pocket.
Oh, he on
What's the
good
name of the
tequila.
company again?
Huh?
Huh?
Sunrise.
The name of the company?
Bitch, if you can you could hear. Fat ass ears. Bro, back up from my camera. Nigga, you too close, nigga. Well, I would have flamed this nigga to eternity. Then if he would have got mad about it, I would have made him come do something.
Sunrun, miss.
The name of the company?
That's not your company,
Yeah,
bro.
Sunrun.
Okay, no problem. If needed, I'll speak to my husband and we'll.
See, this is where she handled it wrong. What your husband gonna do? Speak to your husband. You need to get authorities involved. Talk about speak to your husband. You need to get these niggas off your porch. These niggas checking windows and shit. Call 12. Send them on the way. Ain't no husband gonna what?
Too much.
Alright, I'll come back if anything.
Ain't no thank you so much.
No need to call back. I'll just see if my husband is interested.
Okay, because we could give you the no cost option, so you save thousands and you don't have to take out a loan or anything. Whereas online, you might have
He's still
to.
trying, bro.
We can give you that promotion. Okay. Yeah.
He might be in. Bro might have just got drunk and think he's still at work. But I doubt it when you got your partner in the cut.
No problem.
There's a
I'll
nigga right
later.
here
Thank you so
behind
much.
him.
So,
His phone going off. They probably texting each other. Yes, they is. They dickheads. Can we get the dickhead award for both of them? What y'all doing texting each other? But I would have flamed both of them. Just stay right there. Just stay there. I'll be home in 5 minutes. Came home and flamed all their ass. Okay, San Bernardino with it. We got a hungry, broke nigga. He look hungry. He look broke. Nigga look hungry and broke. Y'all better, that Uber Eats boy, y'all better get y'all food, bruh. I don't even know what it is. So, that shit looks great. Gone.
Cincinnati, Ohio. This guy tried to make a run for it, but the law...
Ohio, back at it, bro. It's snowing. Yeah, you in a bad way, bro. Them fences look kind of high.
up. And guess what? The whole
Lights
chase is on
behind you.
doorbell cam.
Ooh, the police look like they're right there. Yeah, it's over with, bro. Hell nah. Me and Cole do not mix.
Randy, get down on the ground.
I ain't getting down on shit. Hell yeah, tell them. What the fuck? They busting through this, bro. They broke the gate. What the fuck? Y'all niggas couldn't hop the fence?
Show me your hands. I ain't get on the ground, bro. Turn around. Turn around there.
Yeah, they try to make me get humiliated. Fuck that guy. You good, bro? Nigga over here falling and shit.
I don't want to have no seizure. I scared myself. Okay, turn around. Where's the knife at? I ain't got no knife. Okay, turn around.
Hell no.
Hey guys, if you check your ring camera, someone tried to rob a lot of people last night, so I'm tracking footsteps.
Huh? There's footsteps behind you. You tracking footsteps. Because you know where they live. Bitch, get the fuck out my porch, bruh.
If you see them on your camera, because I know where they live. I just track their foots. I think it turned off.
What the fuck, bro? Who you talking to? Bro, these people be whacked out they mind, bro. I don't know what they got going on. She laughing and shit. Oh, you did a redo? Bitch, get the fuck on.
I went to the hospital, it's closed. I went to the other hospital and it's closed.
Oh.
I went to 2 shelters and 2 hospitals and they're both closed.
Okay, so what you want me to do about it?
I stopped at 3 places. I'm cold.
First of all, you don't hear this big ass dog barking? You keep playing with me, I'm gonna let this bitch on you. You talking about hospitals closed. Since when, my nigga? Emergency unit always open. Nigga, the hospital always 20. Bro, don't piss me off, bro. I pop at your ass, bro. Get out my porch. Well, I guess you just gotta wait till they open up, gang. Huh? Nigga just start speaking Spanish on a nigga. Oh, this in a ham. You know this bitch don't give a fuck. Birmingham, Alabama. Grimiest of the grimy. Ooh, she thought she hit a lick. She thought she hit a lick. Bad body bitch. I know what you look like. I'm gonna find you.
Don't put it back.
Don't put it back? Huh?
No.
Oh yeah, she gone.
Put it back.
She gone.
Atlanta, Georgia. This neighbor showed up at the door with a weapon.
Oh, he wanna get blitzed. This my neighbor. He came to my door with a gun. I called Count County Police. They knocked on his door, no answer. Police said they can't do anything. Make it make sense. I guess I waited till he comes shooting through my door before something happens. Nah, just pop his ass.
Homeowner called the
That's
cops,
all right.
but guess what?
They don't wanna do nothing, I'll
knocked,
do
no
something.
answer, and just left. What do you guys think?
PSA, bruh. I know niggas might be felons and shit, but if you clean, bruh, keep your fire in the house, bruh. Keep you a fire in the house. Keep it protected. Keep it where you can reach it. Keep it out of children's way. Because you got crazies knocking on your door middle of the night. You got niggas kicking in your door the middle of the night. You got niggas playing with you and shit. You live by yourself, the adult life, you know what I'm saying? You might live in a good area, you know what I'm saying? Even in a good area, bruh, these niggas still will try you. So you just always gotta keep your head on the swivel. You may not ever use your fire for 2-3 years, but shit, just keep that bitch in the crib, loaded, locked and loaded, know everything at, ready. Cause you never know when your day might come, folks. I would have talked to him. Bitch,
Queens Village, New York. This porch pirate pulled a bold move. He straight up pretended to be the homeowner, signed for the package, and walked off like he owned the place.
That's
Sneaky
wild.
or just plain shameless?
Stupid, if you ask me. Cause I would have got on that nigga ass from the ring camera, bro. What you doing? I see you, bro. You in my hood, huh? Alright. That's cool.
Austin, Texas. This guy showed up with a machete, knocking on doors aggressively.
He was ready to kill
Yeah,
some.
not exactly someone you want to chat with. Rule number 1, do not open. Just call the cops.
Facts. Cause if I open, bro, nigga, it's gonna be a homicide. Nigga think he gonna swing a knife at me and boop, 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 boop. Them bitches ain't gonna stop either, nigga. You gonna hear about 17, 18 of them bitches. Fill his ass up. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, you gotta keep that nigga on the goddamn. Keep that nigga in front of your door, bro, cause the family, look, bro, it could be some kids coming down the steps, be a family coming down the steps, and I ain't gonna lie, that's a bad John right there, cause shit, a family come down the steps, bro, kids and all that, he swiping that shit, bro. He gonna do some damage with that machete. So you just gotta, like, if I was in this situation, I'm keeping this nigga in front of my door at all times, bro, until the police get there. Even if I ain't at the crib. And if I'm at the crib, bro, I'm just chill inside, bro. I ain't gonna panic. Just call police. It's fucking wacko. But I keep me, like, at least 2 of them, so if nigga think he gonna break in my shit or fuck with my dough, we just gonna take matters in our own hands. But I like to get police involved first, because I ain't gonna lie, it gets sticky when you got paperwork. Now they charging you with murder and shit. Now you need lawyers. So it do get sticky sometimes on this self-defense shit. They still book your ass. Keep that nigga in front of the door. What's up, bro? What's good? What's going on? You alright? Tell me what's going on. Why you knocking on my door? You gotta keep him in front of the door. I know you need to leave.
Miami, Florida. This late-night creeper is out here vandalizing property. Some people really have nothing better to do. Keep your
alcohol
cameras rolling.
What is going on? Tell me, what is this for? What is for? What is for? What is it over here for now?
Yeah, that's cool. I let that one slide, bro. You just throwing little shit around. You try to spray paint on my shit or beating in walls, that's what we got a problem. This land, this no harm, no foul. She just tweaking. We got a bowl.
Jamaica, New York. This lady spotted a package on the porch and thought it was hers for the taking. But surprise, the homeowner caught her in the act. Let's see how this plays out.
I ain't gonna lie, ain't no arguing. If I catch you doing this shit, ain't no arguing. I'm sending shots, bro. I'm real threatening, bro. If I catch you in the act, you better hope I don't catch you, bro. In Texas, you know what that mean. She tried to kick it off the porch. Bitches, you slow. Try to duck out the camera. Bitch, the camera catching everything, you dummy. Try to put it back.
No, I don't want. I can take up my own package.
Facts.
No. You want to get in the water box.
See, ain't no arguing.
You're just trying to take my package.
Ain't no arguing, bro. Why they arguing with these folks? Bro, get the fuck on, bro. Get the fuck out my porch. I caught you already. That's it.
Don't come in my yard. Do not come in my yard. I don't need nobody helping me take my package, okay?
See, that's too much. Now they arguing
You
about
think
nothing.
if something is in my yard, I don't know it's on my floor? I can see. I just want you to know I have a camera. Do not come
She
in my
bagging the
yard.
husband. You a bitch?
I saw her.
Damn, nigga. He trying to take control. She mushing that nigga back. Fuck, nah, nigga. I'm racking shit. What's up? What's the issue?
What? You was trying to take. She was in the
I'm
yard.
running ahead. Shawty,
Alhambra,
when I come out.
California. These two tricksters distracted an elderly woman pretending to give her an
It's a nasty finesse right here. These Mexicans be on it, bro. First of all, you is not touching my neck for shit, bro. I don't give a fuck, bro. You ain't giving me no free nothing, bro. This chain ain't never coming on my neck, bro. You think you gonna get up on me like that, bro? I'll swing on your ass.
a necklace.
Fuck, how old you think I am?
But they ended up stealing her real necklace. Share this video with your loved ones, especially the elderly,
This
so
a
they don't
nasty
fall for these
finesse.
sneaky tricks.
Gave her a kiss and everything. They got the AirPods. Them hoes probably don't work. Cheap ass AirPods from Temu.
Nice to meet you, Mama.
Fucked up about old people jewelry too, bro. That should be having meaning, bro. It don't even be costing a lot, bro. It should be from they moms and shit, goddamn granddaughters and shit. Shit don't be worth not a fuck thing, bro. But goddamn valuable and meaning. And niggas be wanting to steal from them. Nasty.
New Orleans, Louisiana. Armed robbery caught on camera early at 1:27 a.m. The victims have reported the crime, and the video was sent to the police. The gunman was last seen heading toward Claiborne.
New Orleans, 1:30 in the morning. White people, shoo. This a bad joint, bro. Y'all shouldn't have not been out walking. First off, that's law.
If anyone has supporting footage, please share it with the police.
Look at you, bruh. Look at the back door just open, bruh. You just loose. Why is y'all standing here? You just let this man walk up on you like that?
Stay alert and stay safe.
Salute to him, though. He protected shawty. But not salute to you, bro. You got your shawty in a dangerous ass environment in the first place. But salute to you. I guess you just wanted to show her you could protect her. Maybe he paid for this shit. Maybe he paid for the robbery. That nigga could have bust that ass.
What you want, bro? What you want? What you want? What you want? What you want? Get down. What you want, baby? What you want? I ain't got no money on me. What you want? Here. Everything, bro. Everything.
Damn, shorty. Damn, this was a goddamn this year. Caught on armed robbery on camera. January 26 at 1:27. The crime is reported to the police by the victims, and the video was sent to police. The gunman was last seen heading toward Claiborne. That nigga gone. Fuck. They should have hit them feet. Should have took off. Fuck this, shawty, let go. He did the right thing, bro. That jacket probably weren't worth the fuck.
Damn. Oh no. Oh, oh.
Bro, niggas just be comfortable just opening niggas' screen doors.
Oh, no.
My screen door be locked.
Oh, man.
I ain't gonna lie, this drugs or alcohol, bro. Don't be coming on my porch screaming, oh, man, oh, no, because I'm not gonna help you, bro. I don't got no pity.
Oh, shit.
And the reason why is 'cause I don't do shit like this, bro. This is shit I don't do. I'm not gonna come knocking on your door unless I'm shot, I'm bleeding, and I really need emergency. I'm not just gonna come knocking on your door talk about, oh, help me, I'm cold. That shit bogus, bro. That's why I'm saying, that's why the way I am, I understand why these people, because they wouldn't do this shit, bro. They not going on people's porches asking for help. I'm only asking for help if I'm shot up, if I'm wounded, I can't walk, I can't get myself to where I need to be. I feel like I'm dying. Yes, I'm gonna go knock on the neighbor porch, but if it ain't no die-hard emergency, bro, what the fuck? I'm not doing this.
Can I help you?
He said, yeah, I need help. Bitch, what you need help with?
Who are you? Can I help you?
Yeah.
He said, yeah, you can help me.
What do you need, sir?
I need freezing.
Oh, nah, bro, you not freezing.
I'm cold.
Get off my porch. You got a hat, you got a jacket, you got pants on, you got your hands in your pocket. It probably is cold. You got a nice little beard, keep you nice and warm. Get the fuck off. Talking about you cold.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Are you having a medical emergency, sir?
No. Fuck out of here then, nigga. Bro got underclothes on, all type of shit, man. W video from Creepy Tug, bro. What not to do. Hopefully you learn something when folks knock on your door. You feel what I'm saying? Subscribe to them. Subscribe to the MachineZo Reacts, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's another one out the way. Appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate y'all tapping in. And we gonna be on to another one. I'm out the door. And we'll see you next show. Peace.